Next up is Assert. Could I have Rajesh, who's the co-CTO, to come on stage, please? Hi, Rajesh.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'll take this moment to thank Mr. Rahul Tanna and Roshan George to give us this opportunity to speak here on the as a customer success story partner. Myself, Rajesh, I'm a co-CTO at Assert AI. We are an end-to-end customized AI solution provider. Our team consists of 50 plus members, and which consists of on-ground engineers who help you with installation of hardware, to support engineers who help you with after-product support, and our engineering team who works on creating customized solution for service and our own products. Our headquarters is based in Mumbai, and we are having our branch office in Bangalore and Pune. We have recently started our operations in US, in Chicago area. So AI is having a history of its own, starting from student community to bringing it to business. When you talk about a general AI, as a custom AI solution provider company, we get n number of use cases from the client. Now, to gather data, so ideal application of AI requires you to gather data from on-site. Then you have to pre-process the data, analyze what hardware would be best suited for the customer, then design the entire architecture, deploy it for the customer, and then do a lot of testing for them so that we really have them as a happy customer at the end. Right? Today I'm going to talk about a platform which is Alpha Platform. This basically reduces this entire pipeline, right, where a person is needed, a set of engineers are needed to do on-site installation of hardware, configuration to our existing system, to Jetson systems, and then getting the models, the AI ready for the customer to have it running on the GPUs. On the slide here, you would see that this is an ideal setup for a computer vision application. On the left, there are CCTV cameras, which are then used with NVIDIA DVR setup. And we have the hardware for alerts such as hooters, then there are lamp lights, there are switches, routers which are supposed to be configured, connected together with the Jetson hardware so that the AI can take feeds from the CCTV sensors and then it can process the data for the end customer. On Alpha Platform, this all processes are automated and these are provided to the end customer itself. So I'll talk about the three parts which are mentioned over here. Starting from CCTV Club, we have designed the platform in such a way that it is compatible with 99% of the cameras which are used right now at any place. These CCTV cameras are installed in existing infra. The customer is provided with a dashboard where he or she can himself or herself enter the details about their CCTV IP, about the credentials which they are using in their local systems, and they can get the thank you. I was just playing with something. So then they can get these CCTV cameras, they can enter the details without a manual person from our team who has to sit there and do the configuration for the customer. Then comes the second part where the hardware has to be integrated with the entire setup to run the AI. Hardware such as hooters for active alerts, real time, then the lamp lights which will give you indication for factories, warehousing, and outdoor scenarios, indoor scenarios. Then switches, routers, all this configuration can be done by the customer itself. And then comes the hardware GPU part, where they can deploy the solution. So in a nutshell, how it works, the customer basically has a login address. They can go to the platform, use their credentials to log into the dashboard, and then based on the activated license to their solution, they can tick mark what are the use cases they are looking to activate and have for their own sites, warehouses, outdoor infras. With this setup, the customer will get 3 simple slides. First one, where the customer will be adding the CCTV cameras, their existing infra details. They'll click on next. On the next one, they'll add about the routers, the other hardwares which are bought by them for the active alert system. And on the last page, they will just click on a button, continue, where they will be having, where the Jetson hardware will be downloading all the required frameworks, dependencies, configuration, and it will keep it up for the deployment to happen for the customer. Why is this important? So I'll take a step back and about the last pipeline which has been followed for ages now, right? For any customized solution. This process is helping us to, after having a custom solution, this process is helping us to scale the entire deployment in a huge number. This is also helping us to monitor 24/7. Right? This is helping us to give customer the access to choice, where he or she can take the use cases for himself, do the configuration, and get deployed solution on Jetson hardware. This is one of my favorite slides because a list of customers is something any company would want to see. If you take a look at them, they all come from very different categories. That's why we are there. We are a customized AI solution provider. We look for all the categories, and we have aggregated a lot of use cases for a lot of customers. Now to manage this set of use cases, each of them would have at their premises, I would need a 50, I just mentioned that it's a 50 plus team, I would need a bigger number to that, right? Alpha platform is allowing us to deploy use cases for the first hand, and then to scale the entire product for all of these customers who are right now actively using this platform for their further deployments. So, is the use case always a customized solution? Do we always need some video to train and then get the data deployed? For most of the cases, no, because the number of use cases which we have got so far, we have collected them, and in this umbrella you can see all these use cases right now are ready to deploy and get it live at client premises within a week of time. This was not possible before. Before Alpha platform, we would have taken nearly a month. These use cases are ready for the customer itself to choose, pick, set, and deploy. Lastly, what do they get after they deploy? The dashboard. On the dashboard, as soon as the solution is deployed, they get a dashboard where they see what they really want as an analytics in the form of analytics. So having a regular CCTV camera is boring. You don't use it. No one goes back to check an entire 24-hour footage and try to find out the meaningful data out of it. Our platform enables the customers to use to set up what use cases they are actually going to look at with their existing infra setup, and allows them to get real-time analytics on site with the help of NVIDIA GPU hardware and our Alpha platform. So that's all from my side. Again, thank you so much.